enough to play well. We're about to kick off here. Just awaiting the referee's whistle. And we're off. And Kingston Football Academy starts this game off. Mobay United here, losing possession in the middle of the park. Tukaka Marima steals the ball out for a goal kick smartly. Oh, lovely work there by Rodinho Hines to get past the defender. And he's played it into the path now of Cavante. Lovely work there. It's to cross in, but shots blocked. Nikolai Banton gets it to Morgan. Oh, lovely pass there. Kivario White. Oh, and he scored! Slight deflection there, but lovely work nonetheless from White. Really, that belies his age. Nikolai Banton, just masterful to watch on the ball. He's been a large reason as to why KFA have had majority of possession here. Just excellent at retaining and recycling possession. As a shot here, unfortunately just straight at the goalkeeper. Tinglin will have no problems with that. At the moment, there seems to only be 3 players in the box. Kingston Football Academy, bit of a strange approach. It will be Banton to take this one. Oh, opts for a shot at goal. But on that particular aspect of their game, if they wish to get back into this one, still have time, as of course, but it has been really poor their passing thus far. Rylan Campbell takes this one. Tinglin misses it, but unfortunately it goes just wide. But that was a great delivery there, begging to be headed in. And seems it took a touch after all, as it is awarded a corner kick to KFA. Keyshawn Lewis to take this one, it seems. They play it short. Turo. Oh, the shot goes over the bar. Alikai McFarlane to win back the ball, but they have given away a throw in. Oh, lovely work by Morgan. Beats his defender wonderfully. It's McCoy. Good switch of play. Fine, Keyshawn Lewis. Rylan Campbell. Oh, bring out the fancy footwork. But as he beats his defender, he is fouled. Cavante Gooden will be taking this one. Great delivery into the box. Morris heads it. Cristiano Lawrence takes a shot. What a save. And it will be a corner. The first defender there. Robinho Morgan retains position. Ingleton to Banton. He has options going forward. Morgan. Oh, lovely finish. Hints of offside there. But so far the referee says no offside. Morgan retains position. Ingleton to Banton. He has options going forward. Morgan. Oh, lovely finish. Hints of offside there. But so far the referee says no offside. And that is 2-0 to Kingston Football Academy. Lovely patience there by Nikolai Nicholas, who scored the first goal. Pardon me, I called it being Lewis. That's my mistake. It was Kevario White who scored the first goal. Lewis beats the defender wonderfully, but his cross is met by Campbell. Oh, lovely bit of skill there. Ryland Campbell. Farlin switches play and finds Morris. It's Masado. Sandino Masado across into the box. Goalkeeper spills out. And play balls Ryland Campbell, as previously mentioned. Fancy footwork for a left back. For a right back, rather. Doing beautiful work over that right hand side so far. Excellent at taking on his man. And Panton has a shot. That goes over the bar. Here's Gooden. Whose is it? Ishinro. Morgan. It's a ball out to Kivario. Looking for his second goal of the game. Beats his defender. Trying to get across into the box.
Come on.